Way number 7. Resell items on eBay. In eBay, anyone can buy or sell products online, either new or second-hand items. In eBay, you can sell items either at fixed rates or in auction type listing, where the person with highest bid win the product. It can be practiced by a person who is good in spreading awareness to both known and unknown people. To sell products on eBay, you must know how to sell products offline by persuading people and online too by texting appealing title, required attention catching description, and make sure to upload at least 5 pictures of the product, and it should taken from all the angles in great quality. Now, here's some tips you should consider while practicing this method. Use 10-day listing starting from Thursday to give your item 2 full weekends. Second, buy a cheap and free delivery product to get some feedback. Third most essential tip is research to know the demand and market price of the product you are selling. You can also check other sellers' description and title of same product to get the idea for crafting your own. So, is this method fits with you? If yes, then start it today. Best of luck. Thank you.